Yeah, in my school days, I was not able to read English as well only. So I was very unhappy with myself that I should learn English. But I'm from a middle class family, so whenever my friends joined any spoken English class, I used to go to them and asking them, "What do you learn from them? Like what they teach you?" And always they see there is nothing they teach, and nothing is there in spoken English class, nothing is there. But I was very eager to know about the what is the class actually. Spoken English, of course we should know. There is speaking, they must learn the speaking English class, speaking spoken English. So I was very worried that I was not able to pay that much money. So in my college days, I used to take books and only write, used to read only. But in my job, I got that when I'm a tennis player, so I used to play state level and national levels. So when I used to go for the tournaments, there were so many players who talking in English with each other, and I was very hesitating to stand with them, just because I was not able to understand what they are talking about. But one day I got that I have to learn English, but I was not able to pay. But after that, I changed my job. I got some money from my family as well, and I came to inspiring class in 2014. But I had only 3,000 rupees that time. But I came to that class and I asked him about the class. So they told me the fees is 7,000 rupees and 10,000. That time only 7,000 was there, but I was not able to pay the 7,000. But after that, I told them I will come tomorrow, but I didn't go after that. After 6 months, I went again there after 7,000 when I got, and that time I joined my class. That time Swapnil sir was there. He taught me practical knowledge, foundation, everything about. And next, Sudhir sir came there and he gave a lot of information about the basic things about English. And I learned more things, not only about the English as well as social, how to behave, how to develop ourselves. And this all helped me a lot.